In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ILovePDF to manage your PDF documents effortlessly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to merge, split, compress, or convert PDFs, ILovePDF is a fantastic online tool to help you handle all your PDF needs with ease. Let's dive into how you can get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the ILovePDF website by typing in ilovepdf.com in the address bar. This site offers a wide array of tools catered for PDF lovers, making document manipulation straightforward and hassle-free. Once the site loads, you'll be welcomed by a user-friendly interface displaying all the various features ILovePDF offers. Before utilizing these tools, it's beneficial to create an account to unlock certain additional functionalities. To do that, navigate to the top right corner of the homepage where you'll find the Sign Up button. Click on it to start the registration process. This step ensures you have your own personalized space within the ILovePDF ecosystem, making it easier to save or manage your projects. The sign-up is quick, and you have the option to register using your Google account for seamless access. Once you've clicked on Google, a new window will pop up asking you to sign in. Choose the Google account you would like to use with ILovePDF. It's a secure process and prevents you from having to manage yet another password. After connecting your Google account, you'll be redirected back to ILovePDF, now logged in and ready to explore its features. Now that you are logged in, let's get to know some of the most popular options available. On the homepage, you'll see a variety of tools organized into workflows. Begin by exploring the Organize PDF feature. This tool allows you to arrange pages within a PDF, reorder them, or even delete unnecessary pages with a simple drag and drop interface. This comes in handy when you're looking to polish a document or create a customized version. Interested in refining your PDF size? Navigate to the Optimize PDF option. This particular tool is superb for reducing the file size, making sharing or storing much more efficient. It applies clever compression techniques without compromising on quality, which is essential for maintaining the clarity of your PDF documents. ILovePDF also provides many other helpful features, such as converting documents, editing, and securing files with passwords. Each tool is intuitive, ensuring you have a smooth experience while managing your documents online. With these steps and tips, you're now ready to use ILovePDF like a pro. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and I hope it simplifies your PDF tasks significantly. Be sure to explore all the features ILovePDF offers and find out which ones work best for your document needs.